Well, the total number of COVID-19 cases has risen to 862 in the state. 31 people have succumbed to COVID-19 and 426 people have been discharged. 2 fresh cases have been reported from Bagalkot district and they are identified as patient number 854 and 855. Patient number 854 had attended Nizamuddin Markaz, a religious congregation in Delhi, and had recently returned from Gujarat. Patient number 855 contracted virus from patient number 688. On 6th May, 13 people who had attended Nizamuddin Markaz had returned to Tumkuru from Ahmedabad. Among them, 3 people have tested positive and officials are waiting for the test reports of the remaining 10 people. A 26-year-old lady has tested positive for COVID-19 in Vijaypura and she has been identified as patient number 856. This has risen the number of patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 in the region to 55. 13 people who had attended Nizamuddin Markaz had returned to Vijaypura from Mumbai. Officials stopped them at a checkpost and have quarantined all of them. Health officials have collected their blood samples and throat swabs and sent it for testing. 10 fresh COVID-19 cases have been reported from Kolar after a person who had visited APMC yard was tested positive. Health officials identified primary and secondary contacts and have quarantined them. Now 10 people have tested positive. So far, 16 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the region. COVID-19 scare looms large in Chikbalapur. In the meantime, the district administration has received another flak from the suspected COVID-19 patients who have been quarantined. They complained about lack of facilities in BCM hostel, which has now been converted into a quarantine center. A fruit vendor in Haveri was tested positive for COVID-19. Health officials have identified 16 primary contacts and 23 secondary contacts and have home quarantined all of them. Officials have sealed the village where fruit vendor was residing. The district administration in Chitradurga zeroed in on a hostel in Adi Shakti Nagar and has decided to convert it into a quarantine center. However, the residents are opposing the move. Hundreds of people, including children and pregnant women, staged a protest. 1,136 people have been tested positive for COVID-19 in Koppal. Fortunately, all of them have tested negative. Residents and Deputy Commissioner heaved a sigh of relief as none of them have tested positive and the region continues to be in green zone. As the country prepares for a gradual easing of the lockdown, fogging, sanitizing and disinfecting cities have become a new normal. In Davangere, to contain the spread of the virus, civic workers were seen disinfecting public spaces. JDS MLA Balkrishna distributed over 1 lakh face masks and hand sanitizers to frontline warriors and residents in Chandrai Patna, but social distancing was given a miss. Mysuru is identified as red zone and the COVID-19 threat is only looming large in the region. With ease in lockdown restrictions, people started to roam outside without any fear of pandemic. Lately, frontline warriors have become vulnerable to attacks when they go out to educate people and do survey. One such attack was witnessed in Bandpal region, where miscreants attacked Asha worker for questioning them in gathering large number. They even attacked a Gram Panchayat official who visited the spot. Villagers in Tumkuru burnt the luggage bag, which was taken to Nizamuddin Markaz event by one of the returnees. The incident took place near Pavgada Taluk. The nationwide lockdown has indeed upended the lives of migrant workers and other daily wagers. Problems galore and they don't see a light at the end of the tunnel. Hundreds of stranded migrant workers in Vijaypura staged a protest against the officials demanding job and to clear their outstanding dues. They even said if the employer is unable to provide a job, then they should at least make arrangements to send them back to their hometowns. After the government allowed interstate and inter-district road travel for stranded workers, tourists, students and others, number of vehicles entering each of these districts in the state has increased exponentially. To make sure all those who are entering Chikmagaluru are in the pink, health officials have intensified screening at the checkposts.
ಹಸಿರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳು ಹಸಿರು ವಲಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಂಪು ವಲಯಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಗೊಳ್ತಿವೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಿರೋ ಎಡವಟ್ಟುಗಳೇ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೊರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಇತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುವವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಸೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Hundreds of stranded people in Tamil Nadu sought permission from the officials for interstate travel and are trying to enter the city via Anikal. However, all these people are stopped at a check post and only those people who are agreeing to be in home quarantine and self-isolation are let inside the city.
ಏಕಾಏಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪರವಾನಗಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Hundreds of stranded migrant laborers from Tamil Nadu are trying to enter the city by hiding in a lorry. It is reported that each of these lorries, there are over 25 to 30 workers. However, the authorities at the checkposts are only letting those who have valid passes and social distancing norms goes off the rails. Those on the economy's bottom rungs have been bearing too much of the risk for too little. The COVID-19 pandemic will indeed be remembered for triggering the shutdown of many factories and shops. Hundreds of daily wagers in Nilmangala are left in the lurch with no job and no proper facility to combat COVID-19.
3 महीने हो गया कंपनी में। 3 महीने में 1 महीने सही से खर्ची दिया, ये 2 महीने से खर्ची नहीं दे रहा है कंपनी। और अपना पैसे का तो कुछ नहीं खिला रहे कंपनी। हम लोग का जो भी पैसे काट रहा है कंपनी, वो भी अपने पैसे के भी पूरा नहीं खिला रहा है ये। ऊपर से हम लोग को यहाँ भी घर जाने की भी सुविधा नहीं दे रही है कंपनी।
With no help and transportation facility from the government, 50 stranded migrant workers in Madkeri decided to reach their hometown Uttar Pradesh by walk. The arduous journey from Madkeri to Uttar Pradesh is 2,800 kilometers, and as of now, they have reached Hoskote. After the government gave a nod for interstate and inter-district movement, stranded migrant workers heaved a sigh of relief. Large number of migrant workers thronged Deputy Commissioner's office to collect pass for inter-district and interstate travel in Shimoga. People thronged District Administration office in Gadag to collect passes to conduct marriage. People maintained social distancing while standing in queue and wore face masks as well. After receiving flack from the stranded migrant workers, the state government has rolled out special trains to ferry migrant workers. 2 special trains are scheduled to leave for Uttar Pradesh and 1 train would leave to Howrah. A total of 3,600 migrant workers will be sent back home. In a shocking incident, hundreds of trees were axed in Ballari in 2-acre plot to construct an irrigation project. It is alleged that even without seeking permission from the forest officials, authorities chopped them down. Meanwhile, the villagers, the deadly coronavirus spreading aggressively in Davangere. To make sure the virus doesn't aggravate anymore, the district administration has put several restrictions and has ordered for the shutdown of liquor stores in the region. This has prompted the people to move to villages near Davangere in search of liquor. Shocked by this, villagers protested for the shutdown of liquor stores in the region. Food and civil supply officials raided a warehouse in Davangere where the owner had illegally stored ration, which was supposed to be distributed to the BPL card holders. Police officers have seized over 250 rice bags and have registered a case at Azad Nagar police station. Restrictions on lockdown has been partially lifted, and unfortunately the number of cases reported from Chitradurga is rising. In a bid to create awareness among people to stay indoors and to not roam around without any reason, traffic police in Chitradurga created an awareness program. They appealed to the people to stay indoors with folded hands and made announcements on the same. After a customer who had visited APMC yard in Kolar has tested positive, COVID-19 scare is looming large in the border area. Security has been heightened and police have intensified checking. A villager was also seen creating an awareness program in a traditional way.